An idiom which says, necessity is the mother of invention, can be aptly tagged with Laitkor area, located 9 kilometers toward the south of East Khasi Hills district headquarters, Shillong. Despite financial crunch, the National People's Party-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government has shelved out a huge amount of money to provide drinking water for the residents of Laitkor Pyllun due to dire necessity. The people who have been making a hue and cry due to water scarcity will soon have reasons to smile with the implementation of the water supply scheme. In this endeavor, the state government has not only sanctioned 28.99 crore rupees for this water scheme, but has already awarded the work to the joint venture contractor belonging to Ms. GS Express Private Limited and Ms. Samdev Energy Private Limited Pune to immediately start the construction work. The scheme will provide drinking water to the residents of Laitkor from the RCC dam, where the water will be collected from the perennial source of River Sda located at Wakadaj area and deep tube wells. The Greater Laitkor Water Supply Scheme will cover the villages of Laitkor Lomhe, Laitkor Ringi, Laitkor Nongdaneng and Laitkor Mauri. The scheme is set to benefit 2,500 households covering 15,000 inhabitants with safe drinking water. The scheme is aimed to be completed within 2 years from the date of commencement. The scheme is projected to provide drinking water to the population of the area up to the year 2034. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya PHE Minister Samlin Malyang lauded the tireless efforts of the local MLA and MDC in ensuring that the said scheme saw the light of day. The local MLA of Nongkrem Assembly Constituency and Chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board, Lambor Malyang, has expressed gratitude to all the landowners for voluntarily donating their lands for the implementation of the water supply scheme. He also added that in spite of the financial crisis, he was glad that the government has been able to sanction the scheme, which will go a long way in addressing the water scarcity faced by the people of the Laitkor Pyllun for a very long time. Malyang, who is closely monitoring the scheme, is impatient to see that the scheme see the light of day as quickly as possible. Speaking to the media, the residents of Laitkor Pyllun complained that they hardly get 4 buckets of water a day.